If you're ready to skip the sweat, save time, and give your lawn a pro-level finish, this one's for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot lawnmowers, each picked for smart navigation, cutting power, and hands-free convenience. Whether you're maintaining a massive backyard, dealing with steep slopes, or just want more time to relax, these robotic mowers do the heavy lifting for you. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews for more time-saving tech. All right, let's get into it. Topping the charts is the Mammotion Luba 2 AWD, a robotic beast built for large, tricky yards up to 1.25 acres. Its all-wheel drive system conquers steep 80% slopes with ease, handling rugged hills like a trail vehicle. Thanks to RTK GPS and UltraSense AI vision, it maps your lawn with pinpoint accuracy, no boundary wires needed. It even detects and avoids obstacles like trees, toys, or patio furniture. The 15.7-inch dual cutting disc adjusts from 1 to 4 inches, giving you sharp edges or even artistic 3D lawn patterns. With 4G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, you can control up to 100 zones through the app, and GPS-based theft tracking adds peace of mind. The 15Ah battery charges quickly and runs long, while the IPX6 rating means it doesn't flinch in the rain. It even cuts right up to the edge, no more manual trimming. Downsides? It's pricey and the app has a learning curve. But if you've got a challenging lawn and want precision and power, the Luba 2 is a no-brainer. Next up, the Segway Navimow I-Series is the perfect solution for smaller, complex lawns, up to 0.25 acres. Its RTK Plus Vision EFLS 2.0 system offers wire-free mapping with AI-enhanced edge detection, making setup painless. Just drop it on your lawn. It figures things out on its own. The built-in 140-degree camera detects over 150 object types and reroutes smartly to avoid them. The 7.1-inch blade cuts under 2 inches and rotates mowing patterns to prevent track marks for a neat finish. Manage up to 12 zones through the app, set schedules, and even track it with the optional 4G upgrade. It runs whisper quiet at 58 decibels and boasts an IP66 rating for water resistance. The battery recharges automatically and the mower picks up right where it left off. It's not ideal for heavy leaf coverage or steep edges, but for urban yards with curves and corners, the Navimow I-Series is a sleek, smart choice. In third place is the Husqvarna Automower 435X AWD, built for hilly terrain and lawns up to 0.9 acres. This all-wheel drive mower handles 70% slopes and uneven terrain with ease thanks to its pivoting body. The 435 uses a boundary wire, while the E-Post version adds wire-free RTK GNS mapping with centimeter-level accuracy for yards up to 2.5 acres. Its 8.7-inch blades adjust from 1 to 2.8 inches and support mowing patterns like stripes or diamonds. Control everything via the Automower Connect app, which includes GPS tracking, zone control, smart assistant integration, and pin security. Ultrasonic sensors help avoid obstacles, and the weather timer skips mowing during dry spells. You get about 145 minutes per charge, and it recharges in just 45 minutes. There's even a rewilding mode that leaves pollinator-friendly catches. Setup with boundary wire can be tedious, and E-Post needs strong satellite coverage. But for premium hillside performance, the 435X AWD is hard to beat. At number 4 is the EcoFlow Blade, a next-gen robot mower packed with brains and brawn for yards up to 0.7 acres. Its RTK GPS and X-Vision tech use LIDAR and cameras to navigate wire-free and avoid obstacles with laser precision. The 10.2-inch blade trims between 0.8 and 3 inches for a clean cut. Bonus feature? It comes with a lawn sweeping kit, clearing leaves and debris as it mows. Through the app, you can create custom zones and schedules, though some users report occasional glitches. With 4G GPS tracking via eSIM, IPX5 water resistance, and automatic recharging, it's built for convenience. Rain sensors pause mowing in wet weather. It's not ideal for tall grass or loose soil, but its futuristic design and sweeping function make the EcoFlow Blade a forward-thinking favorite. Rounding out the list is the Worx Landroid L20V, a budget-friendly favorite for lawns up to 0.5 acres. It uses a boundary wire and Worx AIA navigation, gliding through tight spots with ease. Noasis auto-scheduling adjusts mowing to local weather and grass growth, keeping your lawn tidy without constant tweaking. The 8-inch blade adjusts between 1.5 and 4 inches, and its cut-to-edge feature trims borders efficiently. It connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth with optional GPS models available for added security. Its 20V 5.0H battery runs for about 90 minutes before auto-recharging. It handles mild 35% slopes and features rain sensors to avoid mowing in bad weather. And since it's part of Worx PowerShare system, you can swap batteries with other tools in the lineup. It may struggle on rough terrain or with tall grass, but for smaller, flat lawns on a budget, the Landroid L offers unbeatable value. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best robot lawnmowers. Got a favorite model or smart lawn care tip? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear what's working for you. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss the next gear guide. Check the description below for all the product links and up-to-date pricing. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, stay green, and let your mower do the work.